Okay, I'm done painting this one. Look at that, this nice. It's not bad. I made for the first time spray with the base. I made there's a dirt in my cap because I'm using an old cap, but right now it doesn't matter because I need to repaint the whole vehicle, the whole Toyota Corolla after I put this doors and fenders, because I'm restoring the Toyota Corolla, so it's good for now. Right here, I'll show you this Toyota Corolla here. This is the baby. So look at this door. It's very rusted out here. So now we can. It's time to take this up and put the newly painted one. Look at this rust here. Stick the door off. Let's have a Phillips screwdriver. Take this screw here, and this crank handle. You need to have a tool for this. If you have a tool, but I'm using this one. It's a pick. Watch your eyes. There you go. Fall off. There's the one. Push your flip. That's my favorite tool. There you go. Now carefully take this off, because we're gonna reuse this thing. I like to use a blade, cut this sticky glue. So in order to take the glass out on this, you need to lower the glass. Just crank it down, just there. So line up the bolt here and here. So let's take the bolt out. Oh guys, this is the bolt here. So now we're gonna raise this glass. Put a tape down here so that it will not fall off. That's good. Now we can take this hardware. Okay. Next thing, you take the handle off. Latch. Don't use the impact on the handle, because this one's a plastic. You can strip the handle off. Use by hand. If you want, you can spray with the wood 40. See, this one is broken already. You can see, I'll show you here. This is the very common problem. This handle, it's only a plastic. The bolt here, there's a stud on this plastic so that you can bolt this. So once this bolt tighten on that nut there, that slides on this plastic, if this one will not take in for a long time, it will seize there, or kind of holds pretty good, and during the time when you take this off, you can't take it anymore. So what will happen, this nut here will turn and it will slide off from the plastic here. This one is already broken. This tab here, this is very flimsy. When you turn this one, I'll show you here. See that? Once you turn this, the metal will turn too, so you can bend the thing. So what I'm gonna do, because this is already broken, I'll take this one. I'm gonna replace the handle anyway, so I'm gonna put a vice grip behind it and hold the nut, sliding nut there. I don't know what you call it. It's a nut that goes inside the circle of the plastic there. It's not really good design. It keeps breaking. This is the problem of this. One of the problems of this older Toyota Corolla. So everything here is broken. So right here, I just slide this rod here, so take it off. And there's another rod here at the top for the latch, and you just pull it out like that. See that? Show you here. That's the handle. It's very flimsy. So you can see this. The plastic broke. That's where the nut is. That's the housing, like the housing of the nut. See? That's the nut. That's where the nut goes into the plastic. So see, you can see the rust. It's seized out there. So this design is no good. Only plastic. Let's take that out. Put a vice grip there and take the bolt out. Okay. Step. I'm gonna take this latch. So slide the side bracket. Take this out. There's another one bolt behind this. Now I can take the glass off. belt molding here. A bit tight. See that? There's a clip behind it. You need to like pry it there, and there's a hole on the slit. So what I did is clip. You just sneak my hand here and just push this tab up. See this tab? Like that, and it will unlock to this clamp here. There's like a little tab here. Just push that thing. Now it's off now. There you go. Be careful, I broke one here because I'm using a what's this? I'm using a pick, but the pick didn't work very good. My thumb or my finger works really good. Just press this thing, press this tab here. I will pop out. There's one more here. Now my finger can't go there anymore, so might need a flat screwdriver in this. There you go. Back. I think it broke. Doesn't matter. It will hold it because there's a mirror, so you don't need to worry about this thing to break. So that's good. Taking this rubber off, just slide my flat screwdriver will work. Now I think we need a hammer here. Try this one. Nice grip. Need a hammer. I use my body hammer. I'm gonna pull this. Try it again. So in order to take this off, so you need to press this thing here at the bottom, this pin. There's a little bit like arrow at the bottom. I'm gonna turn it around so that I can see. See this, guys? This pin have a kind of like an arrow here. It's like that. There's a tab. But you need to press this down. Okay. See? It's that tab there. The one that holds. You can press this one with a flat screwdriver while tapping it. It's hard holding the camera. There you go. So push. So I put the camera. I have another hand here. So on my other hand, my left hand, pushing the top there with a flat screwdriver while tapping this bottom one. Now, when it gets to the top, it will catch here too. Now, so you need to sneak this one here and tap it again. So right here, here's the one. So there's only one catch of this. See, like the design of this thing, they cut it here, and it will like a notch on the side. When you pound this upward, it will catch. It won't gonna go out. So you need to kind of press this thing. Okay, now you know how to take this off. So it's gonna pull this door out. So a bolt there. So only remaining bolt here. Now you can take this bolt stopper. Same thing. Put it here. We're gonna slide this out. And on. Now I'm gonna finish taking this rubber out here. Right on. No, it's too fat. So I'm gonna use a wrench. Here's number 12 wrench. Ratcheting. I think I'm gonna crack that with the non-ratcheting first and then finish with the ratcheting. So I'm gonna try this one. Try this trick. There you go. Just to crack. There you go. Bottom two. I can finish this with ratcheting. Last bolt, so I'm gonna hold this door. Okay, right on. one also. This one out. There's clip here. The other door, there's a clip already there in the new door, so just in case, just leave it for now here. If we need this, we're gonna take this after if we don't have on the new door. But right now I can see there's a clip too on the other door, the new door, so just leave it like that. We're done with the front door. We're gonna take this rear door, and I'm gonna take the fender out. So same thing what we did in the front door, just same principle, same idea. Okay, here at the rear door, these are the rod of this, a little bit different from the front door. It's a long rod. You take this off like that, scrape that there, and there's a bolt there holding. I took it apart already, and there's this thing, the indicator, lock indicator, and this kind of same thing here. You just undo the clip like that, and pull this one, and the same thing as the door here, number 10. So that's it. Okay, let's gonna take the fender off. There's a bolt here. I took it off already. One bolt here, bolt here, bolt here, and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bolts on the top. Here you need to take off this side marker light. And there's some bolt here. I took it off already. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take this light off. When you took already the 2 screws holding this one and this one top here, slide this out towards the front, and you can see that tab there. There's a tab. Oh no, it's a pin. So there's a slot there. It goes in there. Just push that thing. When you put it on, just slide it there, push, and put the 2 screws. That's the one holding. And do this side marking light. Press the tab and pull. See, push it hard. There you go. Now we can take the fender off. 1, 2, 3. Some bolts there. Bolts at the bottom too. There you go. I loosened this one with the ratchet already. Just finished with the impact, so it's more faster. Right there. There's another one bolt holding here. I think we still need to slide this bumper here. See that there? Because there's another bolt behind this bumper. See that there? Oh, right here. I took the screw here. There's another screw holding this headlight assembly bracket here, so that you can pull this molding. So we need to pull this molding out. This is the molding, the top of the bumper. We need to take it out, but there's another bolt holding on this. At here, the end, that's inside. See that bolt there? There, that's the bolt behind this. See this bolt? That's the bolt, this one. So we need to sneak a wrench here to take this bolt, so that we can move this molding, and we can drop this bumper, and maybe you can slide this. There's another bolt holding this bumper here at the bottom, and just enough to take this fender off. Right on. Slide my ratcheting number 10 here. There you go. There's number 10 bolt holding that. See, I think we need to, yeah, there's another screw here. We need to take this screw so that we can back up more this molding. There you go. Just enough to back up this molding. Should be all right. Maybe I put something here to hold this. Oh, right here, there's another one bolt behind this bumper here. It's holding the fender here for this bracket. So what I did is I put the vice grip here to hold this bracket for the fender, because if I don't put a vice grip, it will turn. You could break the bracket here because it's pretty seized out. So I put a W40 there, so it helps a bit. Okay, turn on. So how many bolts holding this fender? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. So 6 bolt here, including this bolt for the headlight here that holds to the fender and the headlight. So 6, you need to take 6, including the nut here. That's a nut thing, it's not a bolt. So right on, we can take this fender off. So everything here is taken out. A little bit, lots of work on this fender to take it out. So just have a patience and take your time, because you might end up breaking this bolt because they are very rusty, seized out. So you should put a little bit lubricant there when you pull this bolt here. So here we go, guys. I noticed this fender. Look at this. I pry a little bit here. I noticed this one is glued to the lip too. See, this fender is glued too. So that's why it doesn't want to come out. So you need to pry a little bit once all the bolts are off. So you need kind of pry this here. Look at this. I'm not sure if this is factory. So probably a factory made, because it looks like a very tight here. It looks like a urethane with a fiber here. You can see that. Whew. Okay, let's gonna take it off. Shit. There you go. That's it. Now we can put the new ones in. I never thought that there's a glue in this fender. Wow, amazing. Okay. Okay, now put this back on. This one's better. Next one is door handle. I'm gonna put it on, newly painted. But before we forget, I'm gonna put the key lock here. Right here, slide the key. A little bit tight. A bit tricky, this thing. So be careful not to break. Right there. Stud. You clip back on first. Facing upward. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. Good. Finish.